Supreme Foundation, Gayatri Guruji, 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Universe Energy Scientist, B.R. Kodambam with you. Today was the auspicious day. Sri Mahavishnu, Lord Sri Mahavishnu showers the holy blessings entitled to the universe, including you also. So, this day is a divine and most powerful day, Tuli Ekadasi. On behalf of Manava Manasika Vedika, today very interesting subject we're going to discuss. What is the subject? Most of the people were occurring the problems towards their destinations and the employment or job or whatever it may be. So why it occurs in human life? While creation of human, manufacturing of human, the higher soul has not seeded the perfectness. So due to that, most of the people were expecting the perfectness among about their connectivities. What are the relations you have? Either husband or wife, brother and sisters, mother and father, what are the relations you have? You are expecting the perfectness which you can't expect any one, including monks and sages, what are the personalities in the world. So the higher soul had not seeded the perfected while manufacturing the human physical body and mind intellect. And as well as, but he has given the, instead of perfect, he has seeded the perfection, perforation, and also while perfect, he has seeded perception to have the knowledge about the perfect. By using the perception, you can practice the perfect and can make the perfect. So in this civilization, nobody has not having time. We have to create the time. And also we have to make perception about all things, about all matters, non-living things, living beings, and all. So while perception you can get and you can expect perfect. So most of the husband and wife, they're having internal problems. Nowadays, no husband is depends upon wife's credit card, and no wives are not depending on their husband's credit card. The thing is the only the acceptance, flexibility, which I had explained. The movements in your physical body, the moving, the flexibility. Why he has given the flexibility? The flexibility, you have to make your life into happiness. Flexibility is the more important in human life and destination towards the moments which you had, the relationship between husband and wife, and whatever it may be and whatever it's so, isn't it? So without flexibility, anything we can't expect, because the moment of the things has been created by the higher soul is only the flexibility. For that is the case, he has given the movements of the hands, the movements of the shoulder, the movements of the neck, the movements of the all sensory organs and physical organs. So with it, all the components of your physical body, including your organs, the higher soul has given the flexibility, movements. If you take in hot, it will close and open. the flexibility. If you take lungs, it is also opens and close. Inhale and exhale, while respiration system is always flexibility. If you take liver, it is also producing the chemicals, digestive chemicals. It's also having flexibility. And spleen, pancreas, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, everything of your physical body is having the flexibility. With that movements only, you are running your physical body towards your destination. That you have to think. You have to make proper use of your physical components of your physical body in a proper way. So every organ is having different angles and different movements and different flexibility. According to that, if you move a movement, you will be always healthy. That is only the sign of the significance of the universe and as well as the higher soul. Thank you, my dear Facebook friends. Thank you. Namaste.